coats of raspberry mist and 2 coats of blue hydrangea on top. Inside and outside is the same. And then I have the saucer. So it's gonna be like that. Oh, watch out. Have another planter. I think I did 3 planters this time. So 2 coats of obsidian, and then smoky merlot, you can see on the top, and then the green is 4 coats of seaweed. I think that's it. Another planter. So obsidian, seaweed, smoky merlot. And then I also have the saucer or the drip tray. I made 2 of those. Same thing. 2 coats of obsidian, 3 coats of smoky merlot, and then 4 coats of seaweed. And then that's it. I love the blue on the inside. Same thing. And then just collection of gnomes. Just filling up the kiln. Glaze in, stroke and coat. Let's start with this one. This is just a combination of snow and obsidian. Pour the snow first, and then while it's still wet, and then you add the obsidian. And then you kind of move the mug until you create these different patterns. I think I made 10 of those. However, this kind of glazing, yes, it creates the marbled look, but it's used a lot of glaze. For this glazing, I still use the brushing glaze of the 2 ceilings, that is the white or the snow, and then the obsidian. It's just a mixture of the 2. Trying to look for the best pattern. Ooh, I love that. You see that? Mm-hmm. I think. Ton of marbled mugs. Ooh, I like that. See it? Mm-hmm. Same on the outside. Same thing. This is another tester. We're in 3 coats of obsidian, and then on top of it is 3 coats of tenmoku. I guess it just turned out black.
Yep, let me see that.
Okay. Oh, this turned out good. So on my last kiln opening, I did this combination without the black underglaze, and what happened is it ran a lot. It dripped so much. So now I put the black underglaze, the Amaco, the velvet, And then the base is, so the base is chun plum, 3 coats of chun plum, and then on top of it is 3 coats of smoky merlot. Okay. What on earth is that? Yucky. I guess this is one of my tester, black mat from Mako. That is 2 coats. And then from the rim up to here is 2 coats of Aurora green. And then 1 thick coat of light flux on the rim. I wonder if I can reglaze that. Okay, what is this? Did you glaze 2 mugs?
No.
All right, so the inside is 3 coats of honey flux. And then the outside, the base is the black aventurine. That is 3 coats. And from the rim, like 2 inches below from the rim, is 2 coats of honey flux. Well, I don't like it. Okay, this is
Oh, that's our old one.
a little wine cup. This is, the base is obsidian on the outside. So 3 coats of obsidian, 3 coats of indigo float, and then 2 coats of ancient jasper on the rim. And then the inside, that is 3 coats of sapphire float. So I did 2 of those. So same thing. Okay, so this is another experiment. Okay, so the black underglaze, the velvet, honey flux on the inside, and then the outside from the rim up to here is 3 coats of honey flux. And then on the rim is 3 coats of blue rutile, and then below it is 3 coats of purple crystal.
Mm-hmm.
3 coats of honey flux inside and outside, and then, so 3 coats of honey flux inside and outside, and then 3 coats of smoky merlot, and then the bright one is 3 coats of chun plum, and then below it is another smoky merlot. So I did 3 of those. Okay, another tester. So inside and outside is 3 coats of smoky merlot, and then oatmeal. 3 coats of oatmeal from the rim up to the half, and then like from here to there is 2 coats of seaweed. I kind of like it.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 coats of smoky merlot inside and outside, and then oatmeal up to the half of the cup. 3 coats of oatmeal, and then covered by seaweed. 3 coats of seaweed. I like it. Something different. The usual copper blue, 3 coats of sapphire float on the inside, and then the base, that is 3 coats of ancient copper, and then from the rim up to the ancient copper is 3 coats of sapphire float, and on the rim is oatmeal. These are 3 coats of oatmeal. Like the variation. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I did 6 of those. Well, the usual black underglaze, and then the inside is 3 coats of iron luster, up to here, and then covered with 3 coats of oatmeal. It's a very simple combination. So I didn't intend to make drips. That's why there's no drip. This is a refired cup, which is iron luster on the inside, 3 coats, and then ancient copper at the bottom of the cup, and then iron luster, and then covered by 3 coats of oatmeal. Another refire, 4 coats of mulberry inside and outside, and then the middle is emerald false. And then this one the same, except that it's lustrous jade in the middle. Sapphire float on the inside, and then 2 coats of night moth on top of 2 coats of blue opal. I think I made 4.
I like these. 4 coats of blue rutile inside and up to here, and then from here up to the bottom of the mug is 2 coats. 2 coats of birch and then 2 coats of cordovan on top. This is still really nice.
Yeah. So 4 coats of blue rutile in the inside up to here, and then 2 coats of cordovan on top of 2 coats of birch.